Sorry for the last one, I got some mistake over there. And now let's start with the next one. So our job for this lesson is to finish the second layer. This one, or this one, or this one to place. So let's start. Firstly, we need to turn the white up 180 degrees to yellow up, like that. Because now we're just using those things. This is just for people who just want to start to learn. You know, basically when you're doing it, you should do it yellow up when you're doing the cross and the corners. Well, that's just for harder people. Yep. For us, for you, you just need to learn this one. So now let's start with our today's teaching. Okay, let's start with the red and blue. So our job is to put the red and blue, so yeah, to here. Well, like this. But we can't just do that, right? It would just mess the other piece up. So there is a typical method. Red and blue, T shape, as you can see, T shape. You not care about this piece, just yeah. And now we put it to our side. And let's start with this. The first stop, we need to put this one down here. So make this shape. Down. Let's take down, across, down. Wait, that's wrong. Sorry. It's down. Sorry about it. Because I'm doing it backwards. Across, down, across, down, back, down, back. Do not know what how. Oh yeah, this way. This way is back, back, back. So it's basically after that is putting everything back. Oh, don't know what happened to me today. Well, I think I need to make better videos afterwards. But yeah, who knows? I'll just start with this one for now. So this one is done. So we'll try it again. Found another piece. Yep. T shape. T shape, and this is green. Oh yeah, and another thing, the top color can't be the yellow or the middle color now on top. So let me find a sample. Not yet, but we'll talk to it afterwards a little bit of time. Okay, so let's start with the green. We need to put the green and orange here. Orange, green, orange, green, orange and green. So let's put this on our side as we always do for this method and start. Turn away, turn away, turn back, turn. So this is turning backwards. Back. Turn. Finished. So you get what I mean for this one? Yep. Okay. So last two. Let's find it. Yeah, orange and blue. Orange and blue. Let's put this to our side with the blue facing us, like this. Let's do the method again. Down, so make this. Right, down, back, down. Now we need to put the things back, and to go back, we put it back. We need to go back. We just finished this one. Now to the last one. Oh yeah, here's a perfect example. Finally got this one. So like this. Well, you can see this is a T shape, but this is yellow, and the middle piece is yellow. So we don't want to put it to anywhere. Not here. Not here. But just leave it out. Just remember this one. Yep. And red and green. Red and green. Red and green, red and green. So do that now. Let's put it on our side and facing. Yep. Let's start. Turn. Move this way. Turn. Move this way. Come back. Put it back. Come back. Put it back. And put this one back as well. Now we just finished it. And now to the last one. Red and green. I think yep. And down. Move this way. Down. Move this way. Down. Put it back. 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 We finished the second layer.